Hi guys, I will show you how to force end task in Windows 10. So let's open any application, for example Microsoft Edge, and if you are not able to close the application in standard way or the application is not responding, probably you go to Task Manager and trying to find the application and close it by clicking the End Task button, but sometimes the operation couldn't be completed. So how to manage with this? Let's go to more details, try to find the application, expand the button, and you will see few processes. I try to find one where you will be able to go to details. Just go there and you need to kill the process directly. And just killing one by one, it will allow you to close the whole application. Hopefully it helps you and thanks for watching.